What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. And in today's video, we are going to be doing an ultimate review on the Sekai 2.0 limited edition blue jiu-jitsu gi. Here we go. Not only are we going to be doing a review on the gi, but we're going to do a review on the belt as well. Now, I also have a white and black Sekai 2.0 jiu-jitsu gi as well. I want to throw them all in together. That way we got the complete collection. Now, before we get this video started, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Riley and Travis for making this video happen. I reached out to the sponsorship crew, on the Fuji side, and they came back with just positive responses, and I just wanted to say thanks and a big shout out again. You guys, they have great customer service throughout the times that I've been with Fuji, all the way back since 2015. They have been nothing but helpful and supportive. So if you guys have any questions or you guys are intrigued with a certain product, go give them a shout out, write them an email. They get right back to you. They're a great company. They have got a great product, and that's why I keep going back to them time and time again. So enough of the jibber jabber. Let's open this up. Gosh, I feel like Iron Man when he gets his new suit. Now, let me tell you, I feel like I'm in a tuxedo and it feels awesome. And with Sekai, that's one thing that I like from other brands. And it's your diligence to not only try different brands, but find the one that fits you, because everybody's body type is different. But that's one thing that I like about Sekai, is that they tailor to the body type. That's why they have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, obviously, but they've added now width and length. And I'm telling you, for people like me that have a little bit of an adjusted body type where I might not be too wide around the waist, but I'm definitely a little longer in the arms. And so it's nice to compensate for that, for a company to at least to make a nice fitted gi. For you guys out there that have trained hours and hours on end, I don't know about you, but I do not like a loose gi. It gives my opponent something more to grab onto. I feel like I'm getting tossed around a little bit more. But with a fitted gi, I feel like I'm nice and tight with myself, because my gi is part of me, so I feel like I'm with my body. But what in all importance is the fit for me. That as I'm reaching out, I'm not getting too much distance between my wrist and my hand. And that's the nice thing with Sekai. For me, I've been sticking with an A2, but where I suffer is the length, okay? Now, being with Sekai, I started out in A2, and as I've grown and got bigger throughout the years, I am now an A2 long. And I just like the fit around my waist. I definitely have about 20 pounds of give and take between that A2. If I go above 200, if anybody is above 200 and is 6 foot, go A3 all day long, all right? But if you're kind of teetering there and you're below, like for me, when I'm on off season and I'm gonna be chilling, I'll probably get down to 180, and that's where the gi will probably be able to kind of shrink and fit with me as I grow and fluctuate. But I'm telling you, my favorite thing too is the cut on the pit into the waistline right here. It's very tight, so you don't really have a lot of play, especially with the shoulder area. All right, for chokes, you don't gotta worry too much about cloth, all right? That's one thing too I like about the neck area as well. It's fitted. We don't have too much cloth to play with. And to finish everything off, let's pay big attention to the logos. One thing I do love, you guys, is the flash, all right? The swag, the flair, all right? We've got to have the Fuji flair, all right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, of course, we've got the inside and the back of the world, which is Sekai. Very nice attention to detail. Now, off the bat, you guys know as well as I do, when you get that new gi, everything's about an inch too big for you, and that's okay. That's why I ordered my belt as an A3. I prefer to buy mine one size bigger because our gis come pre-shrunk, our belts do not. So if that belt gets thrown in the wash, it's gonna shrink up. If you think about it, an inch on both sides, so it's gonna at least shrink up 2 inches in length. So we gotta worry about that. But other than that, everything else fits amazing. The A2 is the way to go. It gives me some length. Like I said, we don't have too much play on the waist. Chest line, everything's nice and tight. The last thing I want is loosey-goosey. Now onto the pants. Once again, I'm 6 foot, about 195, 200 pounds, and the waist is perfect. I got about 1 to 2 inches of gap with it not tightened up. We've got great color contrast between the white, the blue, and the red. I love the wrap strings that we've got. And also, once again, we've got our Fuji logos on the left and right. I love the flare. And to reiterate, it's really important to figure out the fit of your gi to your body ratio. And it also comes down to your mindset as well. For me, I am a little bit of a narcissistic guy. I do like my little flashier gis, I'm not gonna lie. But at the same time, the fit is also important as well. I wanna support a company that supports me. Fuji, I reached out to them, they came back with open arms. And for me, that just shows the support, not only as a business, but as a community. For me being a black belt and rolling with them for the past 7 years, it's been awesome that they come back and support me time and time again. And it's just like the dojo, it's just like the friends that you hang around with. We want to be in a positive environment that everyone is supporting each other. Anything that I can do to support Fuji, that's by putting out this video, supporting their company, home buying their stuff. It's important that we support and help each other's businesses grow, all right? And for them to support me, I know they'll support you too as well, all right? So my biggest recommendation is go over to Fuji and check out their different styles of gis and also check out their different lengths and widths. You'd be surprised for how attention to detail they are to the specific size that you can be. So go over to their website, check it out. I'll put everything down into the description. Travis Riley, I really appreciate you guys stepping out, giving me the opportunity to do this review. And once again, you guys, go over to Fuji, give them a like, go over there, give their website a review. They've been nothing but helpful. They support their community, they support their jiu-jitsu. It's what it's all about, man. Jiu-jitsu's family, the jiu-jitsu's world, and that's Sekai 2.0. So once again, you guys, thank you again. Like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Keep following me on that Instagram, and I will see you guys on the flip side. See ya! Still great. Blue, white, now black. Big or small, Sekai's got it all. Thank you so much again, you guys. Check you guys out on the flip side. See ya!